the Oppo Reno 12 5G, where we dive deep into its design, features, camera capabilities, and overall performance to help you decide if this is the smartphone for you. Starting with the design, the Oppo Reno 12 5G impresses with its sleek and modern aesthetic. It features a premium build quality with a glass back and a metal frame that not only feels solid but also exudes elegance. The device is available in a striking black color option, which adds to its sophisticated appeal. Moving on to the key features and specifications, the Oppo Reno 12 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor paired with ample RAM and storage options, ensuring smooth performance and multitasking capabilities. Its vibrant AMOLED display delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it ideal for multimedia consumption and gaming. One of the standout features of the Oppo Reno 12 5G is its camera system. Equipped with a triple camera setup, including a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor, the device excels in capturing detailed and sharp images in various lighting conditions. We conduct a detailed camera test to showcase its prowess in both daylight and low-light scenarios, highlighting its versatility and image quality. In terms of performance, the Oppo Reno 12 5G handles everyday tasks effortlessly and can tackle demanding applications and games with ease. The user experience is further enhanced by Oppo's ColorOS, which offers a clean interface and a plethora of customization options, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable interaction with the device. To sum it up, the Oppo Reno 12 5G stands out as a well-rounded smartphone that combines premium design, powerful performance, impressive camera capabilities, and a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or a multitasker, the Oppo Reno 12 5G is definitely worth considering for its blend of style and substance in the competitive smartphone market. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.